What if your arteries are slowly narrowing right now, and you don't even feel it yet? Most people don't realize that blood vessels can become 60 to 70% blocked before the first warning sign appears. By the time symptoms like cold feet, leg fatigue, or chest discomfort show up, circulation may already be struggling. But here's something surprising. For centuries, traditional medicine has used simple kitchen spices that contain powerful plant compounds known to support circulation, reduce inflammation, and help blood vessels relax naturally. In today's video, we'll reveal 8 powerful spices that may help support healthier blood flow, including one ancient golden remedy many people still use every day. Make sure you stay until the end, because spice number 1 is the most powerful, and most people are using it the wrong way. As people grow older, maintaining healthy circulation becomes more important than ever. Blood vessels are responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to every part of the body, including the heart, brain, and muscles. However, over time, arteries may gradually become narrower due to inflammation, cholesterol buildup, oxidative stress, and lifestyle habits. This process can reduce blood flow and lead to symptoms such as cold hands and feet, tired legs while walking, or slower recovery after physical activity. One key factor behind healthy circulation is a molecule called nitric oxide, which helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Unfortunately, nitric oxide production tends to decline as we age. Fortunately, many traditional spices used for centuries in cooking contain plant compounds that may help support circulation, reduce inflammation, and protect the inner lining of blood vessels. When used regularly in small amounts as part of a balanced lifestyle, these spices may help support healthier arteries naturally. Here are several powerful spices, along with simple ways to include them in your daily routine. Why your blood vessels are narrowing right now? Many people believe artery problems happen suddenly, but the process usually develops slowly over many years. Blood vessels can gradually become narrower due to inflammation, cholesterol buildup, oxidative stress, and damage to the inner lining of the arteries. Diets high in refined sugar, processed foods, and unhealthy fats can accelerate this process by increasing inflammation in the body. Another major factor is reduced physical activity. When the body moves less, circulation slows down, and blood vessels lose some of their natural flexibility. Over time, arteries may become stiffer, making it harder for blood to flow efficiently. This is why symptoms such as cold feet, leg fatigue, or slower recovery during walking may begin to appear as circulation becomes less efficient. Supporting healthy blood vessels requires reducing inflammation, improving circulation, and protecting the inner lining of the arteries, the molecule your body stopped making after 50. Inside every healthy blood vessel is a thin layer of cells called the endothelium. These cells produce a molecule known as nitric oxide, which plays a critical role in maintaining healthy circulation. Nitric oxide signals the muscles around blood vessels to relax, allowing arteries to widen and blood to flow more easily. This process helps maintain healthy blood pressure and ensures oxygen reaches important organs, such as the heart and brain. However, research shows that nitric oxide production tends to decline with age. Reduced nitric oxide levels may contribute to stiffer arteries, reduced circulation, and higher cardiovascular risk. Certain plant foods and spices contain natural compounds that may help support nitric oxide production and protect the endothelium from damage. How these spices may help support blood vessel function. Many traditional spices contain powerful plant compounds that may support circulation in several ways. Some spices help reduce inflammation, which protects the inner lining of blood vessels. Others contain antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, one of the key factors involved in artery damage. Certain spices may also support nitric oxide production, helping blood vessels relax and improving blood flow. When used regularly in small amounts as part of daily meals or simple drinks, these spices may contribute to healthier circulation over time. While no single spice can replace medical treatment or instantly reverse artery problems, combining several circulation-supporting spices with a healthy lifestyle may help support better vascular health. Now, let's look at 8 powerful spices that may help support healthy circulation. Some of them are probably already in your kitchen, but one ancient golden remedy near the end may surprise you the most. Many people already use some of these spices daily, without realizing their potential effects on circulation. Let's begin with spice number 8, black pepper and rosemary, the circulation activator. Black pepper contains a natural compound called piperine, which helps improve nutrient absorption and may support circulation. Rosemary contains antioxidants and plant compounds that may help support blood flow and protect blood vessels from oxidative stress. Together, black pepper and rosemary create a powerful combination that may help support healthy circulation. Simple recipe. Add 1 cup of hot water to a mug. Mix in 1/4 teaspoon of crushed rosemary leaves and a small pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Allow the mixture to steep for 5 minutes. Strain and drink warm once daily. Spice number 7, cinnamon, blood sugar, and vessel support. Cinnamon has been widely studied for its ability to support healthy blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. Stable blood sugar levels are important for protecting blood vessels because repeated spikes in glucose may damage the inner lining of arteries over time. Add half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon to a cup of warm water or herbal tea. Stir well and drink in the morning. Some people also add a teaspoon of raw honey for flavor. Spice number 6, ginger, natural circulation booster. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols that may help relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Traditionally, ginger has been used to warm the body and support digestion and blood flow. Slice a small piece of fresh ginger root and add it to 1 cup of boiling water. Allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. Strain and drink the tea warm once daily. Spice number 5, garlic, the ancient heart spice. Garlic has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. It contains sulfur compounds such as allicin, which may support healthy cholesterol levels and help maintain flexible blood vessels. Regular garlic consumption may support cardiovascular health when combined with a balanced diet. Crush 1 fresh garlic clove and allow it to sit for about 5 minutes. Mix it into warm soup, salad dressing, or spread it lightly on whole grain toast with olive oil. Spice number 4, cayenne pepper, the blood flow stimulator. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, a compound known for its warming effect and ability to stimulate circulation. Many traditional remedies use cayenne to help improve blood flow to the hands and feet. Add a very small pinch of cayenne pepper to a cup of warm lemon water. Stir well and drink once daily in the morning. Spice number 3, cloves, powerful antioxidant protection. Cloves are one of the richest sources of antioxidants among common spices. Their active compound eugenol may help reduce oxidative stress and support healthy blood vessels. Place 2 or 3 cloves in a cup of hot water and allow them to steep for about 10 minutes. Drink this clove tea warm once per day. Spice number 2, turmeric, the anti-inflammatory super spice. Turmeric contains curcumin, a plant compound known for its strong anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is one of the key factors involved in the development of artery problems. Curcumin may help support healthy blood vessels and improve circulation, especially when combined with black pepper. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a small pinch of black pepper into a cup of warm milk or plant milk. Stir well and drink before bedtime. Spice number 1, golden turmeric paste, the traditional remedy. Golden paste is a traditional mixture designed to improve the absorption of curcumin and maximize its benefits. It combines turmeric, black pepper, and healthy fats to support better absorption. Golden paste recipe. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder to 1 cup of water and heat gently in a small pan while stirring until a thick paste forms. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or olive oil. Mix well and allow the paste to cool. You can store this mixture in the refrigerator for several days. A simple way to consume it is by mixing half a teaspoon of golden paste into warm milk or tea once daily. Exact daily plan. Supporting healthy circulation often comes from small habits practiced consistently every day rather than relying on a single ingredient. A simple routine can begin in the morning with a warm drink such as ginger tea or a cinnamon infusion, which may help gently stimulate circulation and warm the body. During the day, incorporating fresh garlic into meals such as salads, soups, or vegetable dishes can provide additional plant compounds that support cardiovascular health. Adding a small pinch of cayenne pepper or black pepper to food may also help stimulate circulation and improve nutrient absorption. In the evening, many people choose a calming drink such as turmeric milk or a small amount of golden turmeric paste mixed into warm water or plant milk. This combination provides anti-inflammatory compounds that may help support the health of blood vessels overnight. Following a simple routine like this for several weeks, while maintaining a balanced diet and regular physical activity, may help support healthier circulation over time. Critical mistakes to avoid. While spices can provide helpful plant compounds, many people unknowingly reduce their benefits through daily habits that damage blood vessels. One of the most common mistakes is consuming excessive sugar, which may increase inflammation and place stress on the inner lining of arteries. Another common issue is expecting instant results. Circulation improves gradually through consistent lifestyle habits rather than quick remedies. Smoking, chronic stress, poor sleep, and lack of physical activity can also negatively affect blood vessel health. Using very large amounts of spices does not necessarily provide better results. Most traditional remedies rely on small, regular amounts rather than excessive intake. Balance and consistency are far more important than quantity. Natural spices have been used for centuries in traditional diets and may offer supportive benefits for circulation and cardiovascular health. However, they should not replace professional medical care. Anyone with diagnosed heart disease, high blood pressure, or circulation problems should consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. When combined with balanced nutrition, regular movement, proper sleep, and stress management, these traditional spices may help support overall heart and vascular health. Before you go, tell us in the comments, which of these spices do you already use at home?
Turmeric,
Ginger, garlic,
cinnamon.
Your answer might help someone else discover a simple habit that supports better circulation. And if you enjoy learning science-based natural health tips for adults over 50, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Small daily habits can make a big difference over time, and the right foods and spices may help support healthier circulation naturally.